Hello, magandang umaga po sa inyo.
Hapon na eh, hapon na eh.
I say morning because I believe na kaming mga kabataan is laging may bagong kinabukasan. So as a partnership strategy manager here in Megabet is meron kami mga programa na hindi lang basta sa laro, hindi lang basta sa entertainment, kundi kokonekta yung Megabet Paradise sa mga bawat Pilipino. Yung aming partnership is hindi lang para sa malalaking tao, sa malalaking company, kundi para sa bawat Pilipino na may pangarap. So as I have a dream, I will be a consultant to every Filipino who will have a dream. So ang aabangan kay Megabet is meron kami mga partnership program na magbibigay ng magandang kinabukasan at pagkakaroon ng tamang direksyon para makuha nila yung pangarap nila. Because Megabet cares, Megabet will do it, not just Nike just do it. Megabet will do it for you.
Oh, wow. As head of marketing and partnerships, if Nike says just do it, ang sinasabi rin ng Megabet ay we can do it better. And all the partnerships with every stakeholder, Megabet will surely make it stronger and better. Tama? Pati with us, right? Sasabihin mo, kailangan mo sabihin sa harapan nila.
Everyone is Megabet partners po. Everyone, anyone, and anytime Megabet is your partner.
Yan.
Hindi na pa rin sinabi yung partnership with us. Hindi mo sasabihin talaga?
I already said it po.
Wala. Ayaw na sabihin. But ang sinasabi lang is, thank you kasi kayo first batch of press na who is supporting Megabet, and you can expect a bigger Megabet once we formally and officially launch. Tama, Michelle?
Yes, correct.
So, patikim pa lang to ng kung ano man ang ka-mega sa Megabet. Kung mega na to, may kaka-mega pa to. Yung coaster natin mamaya, magiging mega coaster pa yan. Yung price natin ngayon, magiging mega pa rin. Also, to reiterate, Megabet is compliant sa lahat ng requirements ng PAGCOR. Yun ang pinapasabi ng management at sinasabi ko, at chinek din namin to partner with them. We had to make sure that we have all the documents and accreditation so that we can partner us from the office as an agency to them. We had to check all the documents para at least we know that we have safeguards at hindi tayo mako-question. Tama, sir?
What's the framework that you read? How the framework?
Yes. Actually, PAGCOR has publicly published their regulatory framework. Pwede kayo pumunta sa website ng PAGCOR if you want to check more.
How thick is that? How many
Probably this thick.
How many pages?
I can't say the exact.
Babalikan ka namin doon sa number, basta makapal.
Okay, thank
But
you.
all of it is there. Lahat ng rules, lahat ng for compliance, and they will not grant you a license kung hindi ka nag-follow kahit isang rule.
They will not grant the license. They didn't follow. Okay.
Okay.
Announcement.
Okay.